Hello friends, this is Shahzad and you are watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix screen distance not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. There is many method to solve this issue. First is clean dynamic island or notch. If screen distance is not working on your iPhone, you might want to ensure that the dynamic island or notch that hold the true depth camera on your iPhones is not obstructed by dust or debris. To do this, you may use a damp microfiber cloth to wipe your iPhone screen until it's reasonably clean. So firstly you can clean the notch and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is ensure that screen distance is enabled. So firstly you can tap on settings here. Here you can see screen time. Scroll up and now you can see screen distance. Tap on it. Here you can see screen distance turned off. Turn it on to fix your screen distance not working. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another is check for system update. So for checking system update, tap on settings here. Here you can see general, tap on it, tap on software update, and now you can see waiting for a few seconds. Now you can see iOS 17.0.3 is up to date. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is reset all settings only without losing any data. So just tap on settings here. Here you can tap on general and scroll up and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Here you can see reset. Now you can see reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings to reset the settings only without losing any data. If all the solution is not working, then we move to another is force restart your device. For force restarting, press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo is appear, and then release the power button and restart your device and fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.